Namaste and welcome back to this enlightening journey of Pranayama. In the first part, we explored the foundational aspects of breath control and the subtle energy it influences. Today, we are diving deeper into the Pranic Body, a vital concept in yogic physiology to uncover how Pranayama works to harmonize our inner energy system. Let's begin. In yogic philosophy, our existence is not limited to the physical body. The ancient texts describe the human being as a composite of 5 distinct layers of Sheaths, known as Kosha. These Sheaths represent different dimensions of existence. First, Pranamaya Kosha. This is the physical or material body sustained by the food we eat. It is the grossest layer, representing the tangible aspects of our being. Second, Manomaya Kosha, the mental body which governs our thoughts, emotions and mind. This Kosha connects our external and internal experiences. Third, Pranamaya Kosha, the vital energy body responsible for the life force or Prana. It is the intermediary layer between the physical and mental bodies. Fourth, Vijnanamaya Kosha, the psychic or higher mental body which governs intuition, wisdom and higher understanding. Fifth, Anandamaya Kosha, the bliss body representing pure consciousness and transcendental joy. Although all 5 Sheaths function as an integrated whole, the practices of Pranayama primarily target the Pranamaya Kosha, the vital energy body that regulates life force throughout the system. What is the Pranamaya Kosha? The Pranamaya Kosha is the subtle body through which prana or life force flows. It governs the energy pathways known as nadis and energizes both the physical and mental bodies. Within this kosha lies the Pancha Pranas or the 5 major flows of energy which sustain and regulates various physiological and psychological functions. Let's explore the 5 major prana that forms the foundation of Pranamaya Kosha. First, Prana governs the thoracic region including the heart and lungs, facilitates the inhalation of air and energizes the respiratory system, associated with life-giving functions and is considered the upward moving force. Second, Apana governs the abdomen below the navel and controls the excretory and reproductive systems, facilitates the expulsion of waste, toxins and carbon dioxide from the body, represented as the downward moving force. Third, Samana resides between the heart and navel, influencing the digestive system, governs assimilation, nutrient absorption and the transformation of energy. Symbolically, Samana represents balance and is linked to the evolutionary process of higher consciousness. Fourth, Udana governs the neck and head, influencing sensory organs such as the eyes, ears, nose and tongue, controls posture and coordination of the limbs, plays a vital role in speech and sensory responses to the external world. Fifth, Vyana pervades the entire body, controlling circulation, movement and the coordination of other prana, acts as the reserve energy source, stepping in when other prana are weak or imbalanced. These 5 prana work together to sustain life and ensure optimal physical, mental and spiritual well-being. In addition to the major prana, there are 5 auxiliary prana or Upa-Pranas, each with specific functions. Nag governs burping and hiccups. Kurma controls blinking and eye movements. Krikal stimulates hunger, thirst, sneezing and coughing. Devdutt induces sleep and yawning. Dhananjay remains in the body after death, overseeing decomposition. Although these minor prana may seem subtle, they play a crucial role in maintaining balance and harmony within the Pranamaya Kosha. how pranayama works on the pranic body. Through the practice of pranayama, we directly influence the Pranamaya Kosha by regulating the flow of energy within the nadis. When pran flows freely and without obstruction, it balances the body and mind, leading to enhanced vitality and physical health, greater emotional stability, improved mental clarity and focus, and deeper spiritual awareness. Specific techniques like Nadi Shodhan, alternate nostril breathing, cleanse the nadis, while practices like Kapalbhati, skull shining breath, energize and purify the pranic body. Understanding the pranic body offers profound insights into the interconnectedness of physical, mental, and spiritual health. For instance, aligning Prana and Apana is crucial for inner balance and cleansing. Strengthening Samana supports transformation on both physical and spiritual level. Activating Udana enhances sensory perception and awareness. This awareness helps us approach pranayama practice with greater intentionality, unlocking their transformative potential. Now that you understand the pranic body and dynamics of 5 pran, you are ready to explore specific pranayama practices tailored to harness these energies. In the next video, we will delve into advanced techniques that can purify the nadis and awaken higher state of consciousness. Don't forget to check out my YouTube playlist for more content on yoga philosophy, mudras, mantras and asanas. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Until next time, breathe deeply and live fully. Namaste.